I can't believe we got this far. Now that you had the chance to explore the previous four steps of Isotonics, you have the freedom now to choose the way you want to musically speak to the people, using this old but new vocabulary. With the foundation of pentatonic and some good taste, there is a way to always make some remarkable art with the guitar. There's a reason why most epic guitar solos and guitar riffs of history navigates through the pentatonic scale, and I really hope you could see this through this guitar course. Remember to respect every season of your guitar journey and always trust the process. Thank you so much for joining Isotonics. I'll see you next time. Woohoo!